All right, I've got our camshaft here out of our Chevrolet engine that we have recently torn down, and I'm going to see how quickly I can clean this thing up using our hydroblast right here. Now, if you are unfamiliar with what a hydroblast is, this is basically a pressure washer on steroids that you can put inside your shop and clean parts incredibly quickly. Let's see what this thing can do. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put up some B-roll on the screen so you guys can see exactly what this hydroblast did. Now, it may not appear to be much, and that's intentional actually, but if you guys are a rebuild shop and you are processing a lot of parts, you know how beneficial it is to be able to take a part out of something, quickly clean and degrease it, and put it back into service. As you can see, all of that grease and grime that was above the substrate has been removed. There was actually some silicon carbide that was on this piece just from sitting on a table. There was a little bit of spillage, and so of course the hydroblast took that all off. It took off all of the oil and grease that was on the part. That's partially due to this thing being heated. It does it without an issue. It does not remove past surface level, so any of that oil that is locked into the substrate, it cannot remove it. That's why it still has this brown color, but to the touch, this thing is perfectly clean. Again, it's ready to be put back into use. If you wanted to treat past the surface level, that's where you have to have an aggregate. So you have to use something like either a sandblaster, a soda blaster, or even a wet blaster if you want the best results. But again, to actually clean and scrub past the surface, you have to have an aggregate. But again, earlier I said that this is intentional. Whenever you are putting something back into use, you know how much of a headache it can be to look for abrasive. Abrasive is very good at finding its way into places that you do not want it. And if you have any abrasive residual left on a part, when you put it back into use, it can cause that engine to fail. So having something that just uses water and can quickly remove all the contaminants that you don't want on a part before you put it back into service is incredibly beneficial, and that's exactly what the hydroblast does here. Let me know what you guys think about this machine. Put in the comments below. If you are interested in one of these, you can call us at 828-202-5563. List any questions you have about these. We make them in a ton of different variants. We've also got differing pressures. This one here is around 1400 PSI. We have them that go all the way up to 4000 PSI in a handheld configuration. We also have automatic blasters that you can just set a part in. It rinses the whole part. Those are more high temperature based, more like your parts washer style, but we also have high pressure variants in that as well. Let us know what you guys think. We love hearing from you all, and we hope you like this video. Have a great day.